Hey guys, it's Vignesh from CodeAndroid. In this video, we'll compare RAPOO MT750 and Logitech MX Master 2S. First, we'll see the unboxing. These are the boxes the mouse comes with. On left side, we have Logitech MX Master 2S and right side we have RAPOO MT750. In MX Master 2S, we are having the mouse and receiver inside a box with magnets for locking. On RAPOO, we have the mouse and accessories inside a cardboard. This looks cheap, but before it was coming mostly like Logitech package. This time we got the package like this. Now we'll see all the contents of the package. On MX Master 2S box, we are getting the mouse, 2.4 GHz receiver, charging cable and a user manual. On RAPOO box also we are getting the mouse, 2.4 GHz receiver, charging cable and a user manual. In MX Master 2S, left side we have forward and back button, horizontal scroll wheel which is smooth to scroll, charging indicator and a button under thumb. In RAPOO we have the forward and backward buttons in a sequence and a horizontal scroll wheel which is clicky. Here we don't have the button under our thumb. On RAPOO we have charging indicator on top, a DPI switch, vertical scroll wheel which is similar to every other mouse, also usual left and right click buttons. On MX Master 2S, we have the mode shift button, a special vertical scroll wheel and a usual left and right click buttons. This scroll wheel can act differently according to the mode. Now it's scrolling like a clicky scroll wheel. When we switch the mode, then the scroll wheel will become smooth. This is useful while reviewing long documents, codes or even web pages. On the bottom, we have on-off switch, dark field sensor and a device switch button. Using this, we can switch between 3 Bluetooth devices. On RAPOO, we have on-off switch, a pairing button, sensor and a device switch button. Both mouse uses micro USB port for charging the mouse. You can see I have connected both the mouse with the laptop. In RAPOO, while doing horizontal scroll wheel, it's working fine. If I do the same on MX Master 2S, then the waveform is not scrolling. This is happening only on Audacity. This is the only problem I have with MX Master 2S. When I connect the mouse on MacBook, then horizontal scroll wheel is working fine on both the mouses, but on Mac, forward and backward button is working on MX Master 2S and not working on RAPOO mouse. In Logitech software, it is detecting the mouse on any mode. But RAPOO software is showing error message even though the device is connected. Note that the RAPOO software is not available for Mac. Let's connect the USB dongle. You can see now the software is running. Because of this, the customization what we are doing with this software will work only when we connect the device using included dongle. If the dongle is broken or we lost, then the customization won't work. In Logitech, the customization works on Bluetooth as well. Also, if we need to buy a dongle, we can buy it separately. In Logitech software, we can set application specific shortcuts, a plenty of options for mouse speed and mode, a flow option for sharing the mouse between multiple devices. I am facing lot of problem while connecting the RAPOO mouse with the MacBook Pro. You can see the Bluetooth is showing as device is connected, but the cursor is not moving. Even I tried turning off and turning on. Now I'm switching to device B and pairing it. You can see it's showing multiple options. Let's try to connect any one of it. Now it is working. This time the forward and backward button is working like middle click. Like this, I'm facing many problems with the RAPOO mouse on MacBook. Let's conclude this. Price of RAPOO mouse is hovering between $30 to $40 and MX Master 2S is around $100. Battery life on both the mouse is good, but I would like to say Logitech is too good. On connectivity side, both mouse can connect up to 4 devices, 3 Bluetooth devices and 1 dongle device. On software side, Logitech is winning clearly due to its features and seamless connectivity option on both platforms. Support wise, we are getting the software update for Logitech frequently to fix some bugs, but in RAPOO we are not getting any software update. This is my opinion. If you are using Mac, then you don't have any options. You have to go for Logitech MX Master 2S. If you are using Windows and your budget is below $50 or 3000 rupees and you don't want much customization, then you can go for RAPOO mouse. If your budget can go for Logitech, then definitely choose MX Master 2S over the RAPOO mouse. That's all for this video, guys. If you want to support me, you can do that by becoming a patron at patreon.com/CodeAndroid. Hope you like it. I will see you in my next video. Have a nice day.